Kwande bakwethu ibizo lami ngikhotsho mahlangu udimo somlembelele umkhopha mangana amaphunga kunye obanye baphunga ebantwini le ivuka Ndebele podcast bakwethu namhlanje sokukhuluma ke we need AmaNdebele on TV nawo wonke ama movement aphathelene nolimi lesiNdebele.
Akwande Mzansi ibizo lami ngingothando mahlangu ngindebele elifundileko nendebele elihlakaniphileko. Namhlanje kuvuka Ndebele podcast sizokhuluma we need AmaNdebele on TV movement, sizokhuluma Vuka Ndebele movement njalo njalo. Yabona. So yeah.
Bakwethu Vuka Ndebele movement yasungulwa iminyaka elisumi egadungileyo. Umnqopho wayo ukubona AmaNdebele umabona ukuthi ningizwisise AmaNdebele ingasi indebele AmaNdebele. Ngalokho ngichaza ukuthini? Ngichaza ukuthi umvumo wesiNdebele udlala kumabona kude, ama music video, ama advertisement anelimi lesiNdebele ngaphakathi, ama movie, intori njalo njalo, amahlelo abantwana abancane, ngoba ngithi sodwa kuphela singanawo amahlelo abantwana abancane kumabona kude. Manje umnqopho weVuka Ndebele ukuletha AmaNdebele, ukufaka AmaNdebele kumabona kude.
Yeah. Khotso mina sikhulume angazi ukuthi sithome Vuka Ndebele or we need AmaNdebele on TV na. Ngoba ebelethwe nranzi la we need AmaNdebele on TV.
No, asikhulume ngezibulo lo ebelethwe nranzi.
All right, nice one. So now iVuka Ndebele yabelethwa ngebanga lokuthi sibona ukuthi ngaphakathi kwe-television, film and television, simaNdebele asinaso ispace, asika createlwa ispace khulukhulu ngaphakathi kwe-only public broadcaster in South Africa, which is an SABC organization, you know. So now the reason why I've started the movement with Tuskumba Masango, Nongobile Masugu, it was mainly because of previously I was doing public relations for artist AmaNdebele, you know, doing public relations for Uzoto Mapena, Dumsane Dimen Sitole, William Wizo Giana, and Tabiso Mlopo, and Tulibati Masango, you know. But now the challenge that I was facing, nangikhamba ngikuthengisa i-product abayiphetheko ekomvumo bekukuthi before I can sell them, can I speak to a journalist, I have to double the efforts in terms of I have to sell their product, I have to sell the language, I have to sell the artist, you know. So now ngabona ukuthi okay man, la sinesitshijilo, and the reason for that ukuthi isiNdebele asaziwa, so you have to thengisa isiNdebele before you can thengisa the actual product. Yeah, but and then because previously I've done audio visual and communications, and also I did radio broadcasting with Damelin, so already I had more information about the radio and the television, how do they operate, what is it that they need for us to be playlisted on radio or to have a program on television. So now kodwana isitshijilo besisikhulukhulu kwamambala ngoba i-movement yethu lesathi okay, it's a must for SABC to have show and programs wesiNdebele, mainly because if you look at the editorial policy of the SABC, it's saying they will tell my story in my own language, and they will tell my story in my own language. And editorial policy again, it states that they will treat all the languages the same, you know. So now the broader SABC, it doesn't do like that. Even now, if you can check it, we don't have a program yesterday on SABC television. Why? Because it's the only public broadcaster. Why? Because it's a public broadcaster. Tina AmaNdebele, we are funding it through TV license, through our taxes and stuff. Yeah, so now that's how the movement was born.
No ngiyakuzwa inkosi kwethu. Manje igadango elikhulu enalithatha lokuthoma leli lasikinya i-SABC ukuthi no AmaNdebele afikile ngoba ngiliphi ngoba nangikhumbulako
yes
benibathathu kuphela 1 2 3 kuphela
yeah
into ekara ukuthi abantu abathathu basikinye i-SABC yonke abantu abathathu bakwethu ningizwe ningilalele kuhle
yeah okay the first one ukuthi we've realized ukuthi abantu bekhethu lokho masenza i-campaign kwaNdebele nalapha hlala khona AmaNdebele Pitori Johannesburg they were not interested mainly because they were claiming ukuthi no we do have isiNdebele on TV we have current affairs umuntu azokutshela ukuthi no musabomawaza bakhona benza amafilimu yabo so now that's where we've seen good no man we have a long way to go. We started doing our campaign siphethe amabhoda bhale we need AmaNdebele on TV. We started kwamhlange crossing lapha abantu bekhethu kade badlula ngembhesi bebathi mara laba benzani laba bayahlanya laba ayinhloko zabazibereki bebathi sibheme iputshana ba refera ku ama drugs nenyawupe because now we've done something that has never been done before. Sivunule isikhethu sokujama endleleni siphethe amabhoard sibakhamba bawafunda because now we wanted to spread the message on a ground level because we already spread the message on Facebook, Twitter, your Instagram and TikTok was bengekho TikTok. So after that we started going to inkolweni, you know, doing boys talks. But the reason for doing boys talks, it was to influence the young people so that they can see us wearing isiNdebele, sibafundisa ngesiNdebele, sibatshela ukuthi umuntu wembaji kufanele behave njani. They need to be leaders, you know. That was the strategy to tell them about what we are doing, about the movement that we are pushing, that we say we need AmaNdebele on television. So it happened ukuthi I've done my research to check good okay what is the way esingayenza ukuthi simarche and ama-marches wethu abe semthethweni. Okay, I approached Johannesburg Metro Police. They told me what is it that I need to do. I needed to attend my meetings. I needed to write letters to them. I needed to go to SABC and inform them, okay, we are going to come and march to you, Bafethu. We need someone who will accept incwadi sizokuzanayo, you know. So it was a very challenging journey, to be honest with you. So AmaNdebele khethu wona-ke akhanga ingene ngoba bakholwa ukuthi lento besiyikhuluma thina lebhudango.
Ukhulume iphuzu elinye eliqakathekile ukuthi AmaNdebele akhanga ingene and ulwela bona.
Yes.
Ngalokho ngichaza ukuthi ulisa yakho impilo oyijwayeleko.
Correct.
Oyiphila kulwa nabantu bekhethu bakwenu.
Yeah.
Awusenzi imali ngendlela eyayijwayelekileyo ukuthi no yavuka ekseni umbathi imbatho zokubereko uchinga imberegweni yokubereka nawe ukhwela ibhesi.
Yes.
Into yakwenza ukuthi ukakarele ubambelele ngoba laba abantu balwelako napha ngibo abajika ukuhlaba ngomkhono.
Yeah.
Yini into yakwenza ukuthi nanyana kunjalo uragele phambili ukakarele ngoba ubonakala ngathi naloko bakuthuka bakuphosa ngamatshe bakukhafulela ngamathi kula ukakarela khona kuwe ukuthi no angilisi nizobe ningizwe ngekani.
Yazi khotso mahlangu ngiqabanga ukuthi mina bezimo man ekade benza yonke into le ukuthi yenzeke ngendlela engakhona ngoba bekufika lapha ngikwata khona ngitsho khona ukuthi no man into lengeyilisa ngilale ebusuku ekuseni nangivuka sengivuka nginezinye indlela zokuthi ngingaraga kanjani ngenayo phambili, yabo ngoba ukutshela iqiniso AmaNdebele khethu asithukile hle basibiza ngamabizo nje yonke into nje wena ungayiqabanga because abanye bebathi siyahlola ke sayibona phi into le yenze ubaba omkhulu okhuluma isiNdebele nomuntu omthembayo. There was a time where there was a radio program abayenza on radio vele lapho bebasinyefula straight because then usikhumba masango beka besinengholani isuitcase one. So we say no man, we need to strategize because sobabili fanele sizivunule ngikholanesi. Then we decide ukuthi okay, omunye akasivunule ngaku left, omunye asivunule ngaku right. Then nasihlangana so kuba into eyi-one. Yabo. So that particular strategy worked in a way ukuthi nathi besingakayi anticipate ngoba ya create chat kakhulu just AmaNdebeleni. The more kade basithuka is the more message ethu bebawuthola eqinile. Yabo. So now kwafika lapha ngo 2017 or 2016 December. That's when we went to a SABC. We sabatshela ukuthi sizokuletha incwadi azange bayamukele. Then we came back again January 27. That's why board ethu abhale asjiki 2020 yes 26 January, yes 26 January 2017. That's when ke sibuyela nama metropolis nama polisa sijame yegina bekula abayuza ngaku television center, because SABC at the radio park there's a radio building and a television building. So now we stopped at the entrance of the SABC radio building. No, television building. Now that's where CEO beza bahlika phezulu beza ke, because now we have amaphoyisa kithi. But Metropolis were saying we're not going anywhere until you bafethu namukela incwadi ethu. And ke lapho I think besi 19. Yeah, besi 19. Soke sivunulile wabasibahle ngesindebele izulu liyana yo woke ama-march esiwenzileko izulu linile kiwo. There was never a single day lapha simasha khona to SABC or to Department of Communication in Pitori or to where to the Office of Arts and Culture or to SABC Pretoria building, Pretoria offices where Ikwekwezi was situated before, Hatfield, or nje wakama mashit izulu linile. It's either lina nasok over or lina after sebe over. So now into ezinjalo zangikhombisa ukuthi yabona la sikhamba nabezimu, sikhamba nabonyabela, sikhamba nakuba mkhulu umthimuni, sikhamba nakuba mkhulu mahlangu, sikhamba nabezimu bekhethu basijamele babone ukuthi nasijame phambi kwabo ngibone nami ukuthi no man la bengingakhuluma thina bekhuluma bezimu.
Akuyatsho ukuthi benithi nangikhuluma namakhuwa ababuthakathaka athuka nakhonakala kube basithundela amabhuruku manje wakwethu.
Yes.
Yakhamba kancane ikhambako iba nomlilo ochisayo kuyavutha.
Yes.
Kufika la bathi all right sinzwile nisibangela ichata khulu darama nasi ithuba islot so nearly slot every Sunday izanendweni.
Yeah, you see, I think mina again there. That's when after we've marched to the Department of Communication in Pretoria, where Nomvula Mkonyan, I love that woman, trust me, man. She instructed the SABC ukuthi, you guys, you need to have a drama series, yes, Ndebele. I give you 8 days to respond. After that 8 days, the SABC responded, which we are going to have a drama, yes, Ndebele is going to start September. To show ukuthi benza ngabomu, they know ukuthi ama-editorial policy wabo enza njani. But the saddest part about i-drama yesindebele yaba ngaphakathi kwe-SABC ibile mina I don't recognize it because it was produced by Cool Stuff Production. I don't like those guys. I don't like the CEO of Cool Stuff Production. I don't like Utabiso Molibatsi Ngamsonda. I hate him for what he did to AmaNdebele, for what he did to the language of AmaNdebele, for what he did to the culture AmaNdebele, mainly because what they did when they've hired the actors who are non-Ndebele speakers, people who don't know the language, people who don't know the history, people who never grew AmaNdebele, people who don't care. Worst part about Ikani, it was recorded somewhere at crown mine somewhere in Johannesburg. So now it defeated the purpose of saying we need the economy that comes with film and television. You know, we needed economy to come and empower our artists like Abubab Mawaza and the other actors, Aboma Cynthia Nkosi, Aboma Sophie Kabini, you know. We needed a program that will empower all those people because now sisichaba AmaNdebele sisichaba egade eskandelelwe cool. Then he get an opportunity to produce a story AmaNdebele. He doesn't do that. You know, usilethela abantu abangazi ilimi lesindebele abantu kwase bafundisa ukupronounce ukuthi upronounce njani abakwazi babhalela ukuthi siyakhamba, you know, babhalela kubiza igama lika Thulara, babhalela kubiza igama laka Msweswe, babhalela ukukhuluma isiNdebele. Kufanele bafundise ipronunciation, kufanele bafundiswe ukuthi isiNdebele uthini ngesindebele. You understand? People who cannot read isiNdebele, people abangezwe isiNdebele abasifanisa nesizulu. You know, that's why ngithi ngiyamzonda mina uThabiso Mlebatsi.
Ndaba ezitha into le banivala ngayo umlomo nasi.
Correct.
Nabasanivale ngayo umlomo kuvela iarticle yeMetro FM.
Yes.
Article etlolo ukuthi Ndebele music is free. Ngakho ngeze bawudlala umvumo wesiNdebele.
You see?
Eniyenze kanje nisalwa neSABC.
Correct. Those are the challenges that we are facing when because now Ndebele movement yange Verina bekubeswa ababili abavuma ngelimi lesindebele. There's a song where they are featuring Uzoto Mapele. But now the challenge was that they were submitting their music all over the SABC radio station. Uzwa mina ngithi we need a music that have isindebele content. That's why ungemani Mahlango is advocating for music with isindebele content in it to be playlisted in the SABC ngaphakathi kwama SABC radio stations. So now Ndebele movement, they had submitted their music to ngaphakathi kwa Metro FM because in Metro FM they told them in a meeting ukuthi hey bafethu we're never going to playlist your music mainly because isindebele it's a foreign language. You see, nayo le AmaNdebele kethu akhange basikime bayilwe, azange basikinye. It didn't make sense to them ukuthi basikime and fight for ilimi lesindebele. And the reason for Metro FM to say isindebele it's a foreign language, it's because our history tina it was told wrong. But AmaNdebele abuye Zimbabwe, there's no such thing like that. That's bull, chief. Because now something like that, it's not the truth. And it's not something ekufanele bayitlole ukuya phambili. You know, our story was told wrong. So that's why it is our duty as AmaNdebele activists to tell our own history. That's why we need a platform on television to tell our own stories, you know, so that we can be able to empower our artists economically. Because artist AmaNdebele uthola umuntu uyabereka contracting or educator but ngapha uya actor, you know, they can't do one thing because le ayithandako it doesn't have money. Yes.
Into itsho ukuthi umlando wethu wakhulunywa kumbi, wakhuluma nangomuntu ongazazi kwisindebele. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kwabangela ukuthi namabhord akho ahlole ukuthi khana sisibo beSouth Africa na.
Yes.
Ngoba nakho kuthiwa umvumo wesindebele angeze bawudlala ilimi lethu ngele Zimbabwe. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngikho lokho kwahlola ukuthi amabhord akho ahlole ukuthi khana sisibo bala eSouth Africa na. Into le kancane iminyaka nelikudlula lokho kutshilo ukuthi iyakhula umyalezo uyakhatsheka ene ukhatsheka ungena nakwezinye intshaba ezidoma ukubuza
correct
kanti kuba yini yonke into embi elungela AmaNdebele, kuba yini AmaNdebele angaphathwa njengabantu beSouth Africa. Ngoba nangathi yaqala neMzansi Magic phakaphambili ngikhe linge ukuthi yenze intoro zamaNdebele kodwa abantu abalingisa lapha akusimaNdebele, abazivunulo esindebele, abazikambiso yesindebele. Nongaqala ukuthi ama production nakaphumako akuchuda izinto eziphethelene namanye amalimi nensiko bayaconsulta ngesigodlweni babone nesivumo sokuthi sifuna ukwenza into enje ngelimi lenu ngevunulo yenu emangweni wenu. Manje umuntu ongazibuza ukuthi ngakithi bokubhalaphi kuhle
ngakithi wena khotso kubhale kwenzeni. AmaNdebele arelaxe ekhulu, abanandaba nepolitiki, abanandaba nokuupliftana, abanandaba ne-development endaweni zekhaya. I'm saying this mainly because most of us, they are too relaxed. AmaNdebele currently sifundile, sinelwazi, we can research most of the things, yabona. But now everything it happens because we don't have abadosi phambili who know their story, the leaders who know what they want. Our leaders basically abayazi into abayifunako and abayisikimeli. So now that was the challenge ukuthi woka into eyenzekako embi nengasereg ichinge eMandebeleni, idirectwe eMandebeleni. Everything that doesn't bring economy, idirectwe to AmaNdebele. Even if there's a development around our areas, there's someone from Nelspruit or from Gauteng who will come and take the money and do the job, you know. So now what we need as Chaba AmaNdebele, we need AmaNdebele khethu ukuthi avuke, you know. That's why Vuka Ndebele was born, mainly because we are saying Mandebele asivukeni for each and everything, asivukeni for politics, asivukeni for economy. Let us get involved, let's engage, let us participate in our developments. For example, sine parliament kwamhlanga that's not working, you know. So now we're saying Mandebele khethu asivukeni for yonke imikhakha, asivukeni for everything esifunako, asingeneni kiyo yonke imikhakha le sikwazi usijamela. That's why we're saying Vuka Ndebele always, so that umntwana ozazi ukuthi yena lindebele nomuntu ozazi ukuthi lindebele fanele avuke. It's a must, it's no longer an option for Ndebele ukuthi livuke.
Into le wena Ndaba Ezitha,
yes,
kusukela iminyaka elisumi egadukileko tot kube nje uthabile ngependulo eyayitholako namkha usaraga ukuthi
esayithola from
enayithola ithi sithi kumedia, ngoba cala kancane ukhambe wakhamba abosipho Mbele banandre babafaka intori kuskandal, kwakhamba kwavela uJames Tholo waziwa ngela kamdala kuskandal, abothulufelo Maseko banikela iplatform ukuthi babe ma-host
the first one.
Into leyo nawuthule njengomsunguli wayo, into le uyithabele iye mara akukapheleli la kusatshona.
Kosa kwethu nathi asifane nezinye intshaba, asibeni newethu ama-programs, you know. Kunokuthi kube ngithi esithenga uburotho, asibeni nebhikara ezokwenza uburotho sazi ukuthi siyayi-own. That's why ngithi mina I'll always say this ukuthi we need isiNdebele drama series on SABC. We need our own so that we can know ukuthi we are empowering Chaba AmaNdebele. Just imagine how many people who will be hired, like from the actors, your script writers, your directors, your producers, your floor manager, you know, the location scouter. You know, we need where abantu bekhethu bazokuba empowered in that manner. People abathengisa ivunulo esiNdebele, they need to be empowered. We need money for us to survive. So now ngifuna ukuthi mina iNdebele linye nelinye elikwazi ukwenza umbereko wezandla likwazi ukuba empowered, azi ukuthi okay, nangenza iraso ngiyazi ukuthi bazolithenga, nangenza itomu ngiyazi ukuthi lokuthenga, walizokuhlala a year until ngo-September before people they can say no, it's a cultural day we're celebrating in our country. You see, that's another thing we need to talk about, because in South Africa we only have one day that's celebrating culture, that's celebrating the language. Now we have Africa Day, Africa Month. But what is it that is showing what it's Africa Month? What is it that is showing that it's Africa Day? You know, we have International Mother Day language. What is it that we are doing to show that we are appreciating our mother tongue? you know, i-English ingaphezulu kwethu, mainly because our government have built the economy around English, Afrikaans, isiZulu and isiXhosa. You know, such things AmaNdebele, we need to challenge them.
And ngiyacabanga ukuthi into leyo itshoko unit AmaNdebele ikulu enhle kudlula ukuthi AmaNdebele angene kumabona kude kuphela. Into itshoko ukuthi iSouth Africa yakho umnotho phezulu kwamalimi lawa akhethekileko kuphela. Qala nawufika ebhanki ikhulumisa ngeAfrikaans, ikhulumisa ngesikhuwa, ikhulumisa ngesiZulu. Ugogo ongasazi isiZulu lesa wenzani? Ugogo ongazi iAfrikaans wenzani? Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nakho sekuyisikhathi ukuthi nento ezijugulu nefoni phela ikhone ukukhulumisa ngelimi lekheli. Kancane into le ngiyibone entolo na ezikhethekileko ukuthi nawuphuma eminyango uthola ihlolo ukuthi ngiyathokoza, ukuthi nawungenako utshela ukuthi lotshani. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi into leyo mtela ikhambe kwaNdebele yonke konke kube nala uzokhona ukuzikhethela ilimi lekhenu khona. Yazi umuntu ongakwazi angafunga ukuthi hey ubeletha ngunyabela nje.
Yeah. So now such njalo khotso. It's very interesting because ubabushelo mbonano walalako. I was listening to a podcast the other day, Kukwekwezi FM. Nakhona celebrate after abhubhile. You know, khona bathoma ukukhuluma umlando ngaye, bakhona ukukhuluma ukuthi beka ne-passion about isikopilo lamaNdebele, beka ne-passion about our language and culture, ukuthi bereka njani. So now he raised a very important issue there, ukuthi simaNdebele siyakhamba siyokuwela and then sizinikela amabizo wamakhosi namkhana wabadosi phambili bamapidi. Uyabona, like for example aboThulare, uThulare ingwenyama namkhana inkosi yangale emapidini. We have people ababoThulare esichabeni sekhethu. You know, why singazinikeli amagama wamakhosi ekhethu, abonyabela, you know, abomagotongo, you know, abosibasa, abosilamba, you know, amakhosi ekhethu nje thina simaNdebele. So now yang-inspire, yangikhuthaza indaba le ukuthi nalokho nakuwela ingoma abantwana namkhana amasokana kosa siwafundise nokubonga ngelimi lesiNdebele. Yabona, sibafundise nokuthi kufanele bazithiyelele amagama wamakhosi ekhethu. You know, kufanele ora pheze ngachafa. Yeah, so
ngikho ngibuyela phezulu kutheni iWinit AmaNdebele on TV yona ikhuluma ngomabona kude mara nawuyiqala kuhle ngelihlo elibukhali nelijabulileko uyayibona ukuthi ifaka hlangana into eziningi. Ithuthuko yalahla la khona ngoba qala wena Ndaba ezitahlala la kodwana abomasipala ababili bethu kuthiwa uDr JS noThembisi. Bobani labo bantu basenzeleni isitshaba samaNdebele? Kungani kuhlonitshwa bona? Sinazo inkutana zethu angikhethu. Kunabo na sibala na ubambonani